Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're going to be doing some more AI agents today. A little bit more AI agents today. And I believe we'll be using some of our libraries. We've got a plan. Where's our plan at? Our plan is right over here. Okay. We want to update our embedding. We want to get more data for our embedding. And then we want to announce announcement. We'll have an announcement. Then we'll go into maybe building some more agents. Hey, how's it going there, Neva? Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Hi. Good to have you here. On the road. Are you really on the road? Nice. Are you headed somewhere like on an adventure? Are you going on an adventure? Good to hear it. Glad you're here. That's awesome. Yeah. So, hello. Hey, Torva. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Epic Bloxpo. Hey, how's it going? Zergio. Hey. Good to see you guys. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're all doing okay. Just back from university. Okay. That seems like a good way. All right. So headed home. On the road, headed home. How's it going there, Tiny Rick? Good to see you. What's going down? Long time. No see. Hey, you got a new job? Really? Congratulations. That's great to hear. Nice. Great. Got a new job. Curious. Do you like it so far? How do you like it, Tiny Rick? Enjoying it? Hope you are. We got some plans for today. We're going to be messing around with our embedding model, the one that we made as an AI agent. I'm lagging, you said? Oh, really? It's okay? Yeah, okay. So it's not like an amazing job, however, it's good enough. Hey, Somayal, good to see you. Hi, welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you here. Epic Bloxpo, is it working out okay over there? Let me know. It seems everything looks green on my side. I see all green indicators. Like over here, it might be difficult to see. This is full speed. Everything looks good. 0 dropped frames. We seem to be doing pretty good. Yep. All in the right spot, you guys. Good to see you. Welcome on in. All right, so we got a plan for today. It's just you. Everyone else sees. Are we looking good on the connectivity? It looks like we're doing good. Here, I can even see myself. Here. Right here. That's me. Right there. I could see myself. Lagging, looking, not lagging. So that is my own stream there. So I think we're good. It might just be you, Epic Blocks, bro. The time count is still in seconds for me. Oh, really? I don't see lag. All right, Sergio, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you for the confirmation. It's 440p from you. Ooh, yeah, you gotten full res. Full res. Oh, wait, 440p, maybe not. I don't know if that's full res or not. Hey, Dreamer, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We've got some plans for today. We've got an announcement to make. As soon as Loons posts it on Discord, I'll announce it. Loons, whenever you're ready. No rush. No rush. When you announce it, we'll walk through it on Discord. And then otherwise, we've got a plan. We got a plan here. Let's see here. All right. Hey, do you like cars? Like JDM? I've had cars in the past. I can tell you that. I used to be really into cars. And now I don't have much of an opinion about them anymore. It's not lagging anymore. All right, Epic Bloxpo, good to hear it. What announcement? Please share. Yep. As soon as Loons is ready, whenever, we'll jump back into it. We'll look at the message on Discord. Oh, did you send it? Let's see. Oh, Torva, thank you. Thank you for sharing the link here, Torva. Look at the message on Discord in memes, maybe? Yes, I'm a member. There you go. I remember. All right. What's deep learning? Deep learning is machine learning with extra layers. Now, you might sound like it's complex. It really is that. It sounds... So machine learning is where you've devised an algorithm to fit a problem to come up with solutions to that problem. And it can generalize. So you give it a whole bunch of data, and then it will generalize that data, and then you present it new data that's never seen before, and it can get an accurate answer for you. So that's machine learning. Deep learning is when you add more layers, more numbers. It's adding more numbers in your DMs. Oh, okay, yeah, I see. I'll take it off screen here. All right, 1 second. All right, message is too long. Oh, it is. Oh, so should I post it for free Discord here? All right, or okay, maybe I'll post it. Maybe I'll post it and I'll do the announcement. All right, we'll wait for what you say here. All right, you guys. In your deep learning is any neural network with 3+ layers. Is it? It's X. Yep, exactly. 1 more than usual. Yeah. 2 if you count encoding layers. Okay, got it. Yeah. Okay, encoding layers. Yeah, exactly. I forward the message, not send it. It's good. Oh, it's good? Wait, you forwarded the message. Wait, does that mean it worked? Oh, it worked. Hey, it worked. Okay. Loons, hey, check it out. All right, you guys. Hashtag Hackathon. It's Hackathon time. Hey, Rishu, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you here. Note that the vast majority of machine learning isn't neural network. It's just recent trend. Just the recent trend. All right, you guys, take a look at this. We've got an announcement to make. Let's see if I can see how far I can zoom in here. Maybe I'll do this. I'll do this. I'll click this button here. I'll zoom in a little bit further so you can see. And I'll make the window a smidge bigger. Bigger, please. Thank you. Okay. All right, you guys, take a look. Definitely not winning Epic Blocks Pro. Don't say that. You have a chance. You have a chance. The Blocks AI Agent Hackathon. Get ready to build. Get ready to build, guys. A 15 to 20 year trend, but still, that's a good long trend. That's a good trend. That's a great trend. Get ready to build. We're hosting a lightweight hackathon to see you can build the most innovative, useful, and efficient AI agent using the Blocks AI framework for submission. Here we go. I barely know Java. Hey, don't worry. They only support Python and JavaScript, or well, TypeScript, right? TypeScript. Script. Here we go. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. So this is an AI framework for your agents that allows you to easily run locally on your computer or anywhere else. Doesn't matter. Probably on your computer. And register it on the network so other people can use it. If you set a price, people will pay for it. Hey, please check Discord. All right, we'll check Discord. Let's see real quick. Was reading this book. Hey, learning, deep learning. All right. Theory and practice of neural networks. Computer vision, natural language processing, transformers using TensorFlow. Hey, all right. TensorFlow. So that must be a little bit old. TensorFlow is fine with Keras. The new frameworks now are JAX and PyTorch. I think JAX is the newest. It's Google's answer to PyTorch. So those are the two options. Jefferson. Hey, Jefferson. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Wednesday. You mean you barely know Java? Barely know Python, not Java. Hey, it's all right. You can use for this hackathon, you can use AI coding. You don't need to write it yourself. Okay to use AI coding to submit. It's all about ideas. This is all about ideas. All about ideas, you guys. Real straightforward ideas. Look at the new Gemini homepage. Ooh, all right, let's go check it out. We're gonna check it out. Hello, seems I am late today. Hey, wait, the Vasper, Jeffrey? The Vasper, right? At that Vasper, are you Jeffrey? Wait, Jeffrey. It's cool. It's cool. All right, we're gonna check it out. Sweet sassy molassy. I'm not lost, but every time Java is involved, it's okay. Trevor. Oh, Trevor. Yes. My name is Trevor. Was I reading that wrong? I'm not Jeffrey. Oh, I'm not a Jeffrey. Okay. There was someone on was that you? Let me check. Go to channel 1 second. Vasper. Okay, that was a different. Oh, it was a different Vasper. Okay, it wasn't you. Sorry, I apologize. It was my bad. My bad. I was trying to be awesome and remember someone's name. That's what I was trying to do. You could probably write Java and send to what is Skojet through Python. Wait, what is that? What is that? Let's see. Gemini. Let's see. Let's go to Google Gemini. Let's take a look. Is that it? Yeah. It's pretty. All I can tell you is pretty. I don't think that's what you were talking about, Loons. I think you were talking about something else. From what you gather, it runs locally, which implies you can use whichever programming language you want. Oh, right. Neva, you're absolutely right. Because it runs locally on your own system, you technically can use whatever you want. You can. You could use any language. Socket horribly misspelled. Oh, got it. Okay, now it makes sense. Yeah, exactly. What did Steven did before AI? Well, before AI, I wrote everything by hand, and I still do. I still write everything by hand. Not everything. I write some things by hand now. I am using the AI. That's it. It's pretty. Oh, okay, got it. Yeah, it is. It's nice. It's very nice. You should join, but my project isn't an agent just yet. Oh, well, you might be able to turn it into one. You might. Just think about it. Think about it. All right, hackathon. Let's get back to the hackathon, you guys. Give you the details. You have saw page of Gemini is updated. Yes, it's been updated. It looks great. Just TCP locally and forward the Python, then the net. Yep, there you go. Also, writing an adapter for Java should be possible. It is. You're right. It is. It's absolutely possible. All right. So we got prizes here. First place gets 500. Second place gets 250. And then there's a community choice where you guys get to choose based on the award. The agent is the most unique users in the first week after the release. Measured on Blocks AI, not on Discord reactions to keep it fair. Hey, how's it going there? Mohit. Hey, Mohit. Good to see you. Thank you for clicking the hi button. Steven, do you know Brilliant app? I do not. Hey, Just Human, good to see you. Another beautiful day. Yep, it is. It's pretty good. Over here in Seattle, it's a little cloudy, which is the usually normal situation. However, it's perfectly fine because you guys are here. You guys are here. All right, payouts on digital gift cards or PayPal. You guys decide. Whoever was the winner, you get to choose. When does it start? It starts right now. And we're going to walk you through it. I'll show you how to do it. Hey, Ted, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're discussing a hackathon. We're getting started, you guys. The hackathon started. You should have a look up about it. Brilliant app. Let's take a look. We'll take a little break. We'll go back to the hackathon here. So you say Brilliant app. Let's take a peek. Is this it here? Brilliant.org? No. Is it Brilliant this? No. I don't know. You have to send a link. I can't see it. There's too many Brilliants. There's way too many Brilliants. I don't know which one it is. How can I participate? Ted. Okay. So you go to blocks.ai, go to the hackathon channel here in Discord. Go to the hackathon channel in Discord. Right here. A little bit of hackathon channel. And follow the instructions. The first one, I think. Oh, was it the first one? Okay. He means the website that everyone sponsors today. It's a website to learn programming. Okay. Let's see if we can see it. This one here. A world-class tutor for every home. This looks like it's more than just coding. This looks like it's everything. Math, science, logic, a little arithmetic, visual algebra, solving equations. See, this is very math heavy. It's very math heavy. Discord link. Hey, Loons, thank you for pasting the Discord link. Okay. So yeah, here's the Discord. Yeah, it's math and programming. Oh, got it. Okay. It was just a lot. It looked like a lot of math. I didn't see the programming part. Math is good. Hey, Dina, good to see you. We're starting a hackathon. We're starting the hackathon today. When does it start? Right now. Deadline is June 10th, so it's about 20 days, 3 weeks, and then an extra week afterward to settle the dust. So, it's a good amount of time, plenty amount of time. It will be judged based on basically creativity. If you're just putting at the end of the day, we have a scoring system, architecture, efficiency, and usefulness. This is all based on judgment from the judges. They will judge you. Okay, give me one idea. All right, Ted, is that a new Discord? It's the same Discord. It's just in the Hackathon channel, which it's been a while since we've been inside. How old you when you took the photo of the stream? That was 7 years ago, maybe. That was 7 years ago. Scoring system proposed from Torva. Yeah, it's a good scoring system, right? Trevor, thank you for the emoticons. All right, this is great, you guys. So scoring bracket architecture, and these are the scoring guides. More scoring guides here. Usefulness. How to enter. Head to blocks.ai. Construct your AI agent. Make it public and functional. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. When I host an agent on Blocks AI, if anyone uses it, the version on my laptop, right? Yep, that's the one on your laptop. You got it. You got it. So paste the Blocks AI agent URL and the GitHub URL of your finished agent into the Hackathon channel. Into this channel right here. Is the agent obligated to be open source? Well, this not obligated. It's just, it might help. So really just the agent URL is the only thing that's required. Good thing you mentioned this. Okay. So for submission, only the blocks.ai agent URL is required. The GitHub isn't mandatory, but it is encouraged. There you go. There you go. What version of Gemini do you use? The latest version? I assume the new one. Hey, Joey. Good to see you, Joey. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. All right, let me see if I caught up with everything on the chat here, you guys. All right, I think we got it all. So it's very straightforward. The hackathon starts right now. My laptop isn't good. It won't be able to participate. Hey, actually, it's okay because you could probably get something to work. If you're watching a stream or if you can open up an IDE, you should be able to make it work. Hey, Dr. Elbow Deep Zero Loop, good to see ya. What are we making today? Today we are talking about the hackathon, and then we're going to walk you through a process of submitting an agent for the hackathon. And I'll do it right now. We'll do it right now. The new one, they dropped Gemini 3.5. I guess they did. So let me see here. Let's see. Gemini. So I will say mkdir empty, cd empty, and see Gemini. Let's see if there's going to be an update. Is there going to be an update? Let's see. What are we looking for? Gemini CLI is transitioning to the new anti-gravity CLI for Google. Uh-oh. Wait a second. Hold on. Wait. What's changing? Okay, hold on. We got something happening here, you guys. We got to check this out. What's changing? We are unifying our tools into a single multi-agent platform called Anti-Gravity. With Anti-Gravity CLI now available, Gemini CLI will stop serving requests for Google One and unpaid tier starting June 18th. If you use Gemini CLI, you guys, beware. Hey, Quantified Quantum, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. 8GB RAM DDR3 Epic Blocks mode. That'll work. Trying the Jenna CLI, Agent CLI from JetBrains. Ooh. How is it? Is it good? Do you like it? Hey, laptop, open Google Anti-Gravity. Let me check. Okay. Sounds good. Can the agent use an API key instead of running locally? Yes. Yes, at the Vasper. Yes. Vasper, yes. At the... Wait, are you still there? At that Vasper, yes. Hey, how's it going there? Aboli Seti. Hi, good day. What are we building today? We are building, well, we're talking about our hackathon that just started just now. It's on our Discord. Everyone can enter. You can use AI coding agents if you want, because it's the modern world, right? So you don't actually have to handwrite it. You could if you want to. Gemini Spark is Google's new general agent. Oh, is it? I might need to get my hands on that. All right. Anti-gravity web UI look amazing. Does it? Does it? I want the terminal interface. I want the terminal UI. You know what? I'm going to try it. Please migrate to the anti-gravity CLI. All right. Let's migrate. Let's migrate, you guys. Let's do it right now. Let's do it. Okay. Where was the right window for that? Here we go. Okay. PostHog code is amazing. It's still in beta. It's an amazingly good harness. Hey, Loons, that is really wonderful. That is really wonderful. PostHog does some pretty amazing stuff. That users are now making agents with Blocks AI using anti-gravity, because I think Google now is shifting all into anti-gravity. Yes, and that's what we're gonna do right now. I want to shift. Wait, I want a simple. Where's the install? Where's the install? Anti-gravity CLI. Here we go. Yep, this is it right here. Well, don't tell me I can migrate if I can't. Wait, anti-gravity. No. Anti-gravity CLI. Here we go. Yes, this is what I want. Okay. Here we go, you guys. Here we go. All right, we're migrating. We're migrating. It's happening. My man like to feel like he always coding on a server. Yes, exactly. That's the way I like it. I like it. So AGY? What? Do you guys see this right here? Run Aggie. It's called, and not anti-gravity, it's called Aggie version. All right, AGY. It's right here, AGY. All right, hold on. I'm gonna hide the screen in case it shows anything suspicious. Hold on 1 second. Screen's gonna be hidden. Screen. Okay. All right, I'm glad I clicked that button. All right, I'm signing in. All right, I'm signing in. Looks good. Done. Yes. All right, we did it. All right, bringing the screen back, you guys. Bringing the screen back. There we go. Let's see here. I can't download it now on Android. Yeah, not on Android. It has Mac, Linux, Windows, PowerShell, and Windows commit. Why are there two different things? Why is there two separate? I mean, like, look, Mac and Linux, two other ecosystems that share the same install, but Windows has two installations. Like, really, two installations. It's just a bit much. It's a bit much. Hey, wait, hold on, Steve? Steve, hi, how's it going, Steve? Good to see you. Happy Wednesday. Welcome on in. Windows is a broken platform. That's why. It's a broken platform, you guys. Use Linux then. Exactly. Hey, Drawing Brothers. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Liam. Hey, Liam. How's it going over there? Happy Wednesday to you as well. We've got a hackathon, you guys. It's starting right now. Time starts now, right here, until June 10th. We're going to build one. I'm going to walk you through it. We're going to build an AI agent on stream, and I will submit it, and we'll go through the whole process. Wait, Android is Linux. It is Linux. That's true. It is true. It's true. Android is Linux. If you didn't know it, it is. Yep, exactly. Wait, what? I know, right? Mind blown this whole time. You didn't know. Command and PowerShell are two different things. PowerShell is more of a programming language. Oh, okay. Your university doesn't like using Linux, so much of the time you're expected to virtual machine Ubuntu from Windows and not use Linux. How? It's the foundation operating system of Android is Linux, and the UI on top is Android, right? So it's the distro. It's like the Android distro. Like you have different distros. You've got Mint Linux, Ubuntu. You've got Omarchy. You've got, KDE or Hyper. We get the Hyperland interface. Powerful enough for serious people. Too dependent. If we use Linux, how do we play games? You install Steam. You install Steam, Drawing Brothers. Install Steam on Linux. And it will work. Look at Discord. Okay. I mean, Android has a lot of kernel mods. Oh, at this point, Android kernel is a proper fork. Okay. It's called Linux Android. Is it? Actually, I don't know. Well, Neva just said that it's a fork of Linux. In that case, it must be Android Linux. Let's see. Are we building the agent using an anti-gravity platform? Oh, you know what? We should probably try that. Why not? Let's do it. Let's build it with anti-gravity platform. Let's do it. Can you share the anti-gravity CLI website link, please? Yes. I will share it really quick. I'll put it under link share. Where did we have it? Here you go. This is where we want, right here. The CLI. It's under download. You'll have to scroll down to find it. All right, under link share. Here you go. It's in link share. There you go. If you can install Termux, you can deal with it as a normal Linux having all normal tools. Yep, Nano. Don't know what the package manager is. I'm not sure either. I don't know what the package manager is. The reason the Android kernel is open source is the Linux license. Thank you, Linus. Thank you, Linus. Let's make a chess agent. Ooh, that would be fun. Okay, we would need to do some extra work there. What we have to do in the hackathon. Yes, I will give an introduction. All right, we'll start over on the introduction real quick. Before we do that, Posthog being Posthog. Yeah, there we go. Posthog's pretty great. I like it. What's it doing? What's it doing? All right, we're gonna give you the hackathon overview. Then we'll submit. We'll actually build a submission for the hackathon, so you can see it all. Oh, neat! You've got sound effects on why are the sound effects? That's kind of cool. I like that. Hey, Redless Saber, welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you here. We just announced a hackathon. Loons posted it. Hackathon ending in 21 days. All right, let's go through it. I'll walk you guys through it, and then we will build an agent and submit. Will one of you submit before me? Will one of you submit before I do? That's the plan for today. If you can make something that plays a unique style of chess that's so fun, that would be pretty neat. That's a good one. I believe the only hard part is the data setup. I think there would be a little bit of effort there. Yeah, I think so too, Neva. I think so. I'm gonna download anti-gravity on PC. Nice. What is Blocks AI you have been using? Yes, Blocks AI. All right. So we'll walk through this real quick. So Blocks AI is a framework. You can say it's a framework for running your agents on your laptop and making them available globally. Anyone can access them. It's like you can kind of think of it as a nice layer over the top of your existing agent, or you can make a new agent. Additionally, the agent runs on your laptop. People can send you money to access your agent. And the entire thing is orchestrated on the Blocks AI network. What's the hackathon about? Yes, so you will be building an AI agent on the Blocks AI, using Blocks AI, and we're going to walk through it. We'll walk through it. So get ready to build. We're hosting a lightweight hackathon. We'll see you can build the most innovative, useful, and efficient AI agents using Blocks AI for the submission. There are prizes for first place, second place, and community choice. Hey, Blue, good to see ya. By the way, Steven, it's been a long time. Sorry I'm not coming to streams. I've been busy with Skype. That's understandable. We've been all busy. Blue, it's great to see you again. It has been a while. Hey, Benjamin. Wait, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're talking about a hackathon, you guys. Getting started right now. Can you install chess AI called Stockfish? Ooh, a library of chess. And the formal name of the Pi chess, you'd build a wrapper in Python, and boom, you got an engine that can beat the strongest chess player. Yes. That'll work. Hey, David. Good to see you. Hi, man. Just came in. What are you guys up to? We are announcing a hackathon, the Blocks AI Agent Hackathon. Get ready. We're about to host a lightweight hackathon. Here you go, you guys. First place, second place, community choice. Timeline starts right now. And we're going to be building an agent and submitting it live right now at this very moment. And we won't stop stream until we're done. until we're done. X64 or the Army 64. I like how you said that. The Army 64. Let's do it. All right. So here's the scoring guide. Architecture. It's basically how awesome it is. And it's up to the discretion of the judges. How useful it is it efficient, and does it have a decent architecture? Epic Blocks, well, I figured you meant ARM 64. I was just messing. What is the agent going to do? We're gonna find out. It can do whatever you want it to do. It can be anything. It's up to you on what you want it to be. What you do is you go to blocks.ai and construct your agent and make it public and functional. Paste the Blocks.ai agent URL plus the GitHub URL if you want, not required, if you want, to the finished agent in the Hackathon channel, which is this channel right here. This channel right here, you guys. Meet you tomorrow. All right, the Dreamer sounds good. Best stream as always. Appreciate it. See some stream in the morning. Yeah. I mean, what to download? Okay, so I'll show you. So connect your agent, and you can follow the instructions, or go through the quick start example. We will be going through the quick start example. So you run npm install here. npm install blocks network CLI. Can we submit 2 agents? Maybe can they? What do you guys think? Torva, Loons, Quantify Quantum, if you're here. Do you think they can submit more than 1 agent? That's a good one. Let's see. You meant anti-gravity? Anti-gravity? Yeah, you can use anti-gravity. That works. How can I join the Discord? We'll send you the link here. One moment. Copy the link to Discord with unlimited time. Generate copy. We say at that, Vesper. Then you join just for you. X64 or ARM64. Either works. Oh! Epic Bloxpo? You're talking about... Okay, I understand what you're saying. Sorry. You're trying to download this. So do you have... You probably want X64, right? You probably want X64. I'm guessing. Right? For Windows. If you're running Windows, you're probably not running an ARM. You're probably not. You're not. You would say yes? Okay, Torva. The answer is yes, you guys. The answer is, hey, Bros, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We just announced the hackathon. All right, so Ted. At Ted. Torva said yes. At Ted. Yes. Said by at Torva. 2 is okay. All right. Here we go. How to enter. We're going to enter right now, and then we're going to submit. And that's the plan for today. And I'll show you guys how to submit an AI agent for the hackathon. We'll make it happen today. Hey, Loons, I'm sending 2 agents is not unreasonable, but I think a limit of 5 agents. Well, yeah, yeah. And please don't send too many, because judges have to spend time evaluating them. We only have so much judge energy. Unsure whether I should amend it to make one with the highest amount of points count, or the participant chooses one before knowing the actual score. Ah. All right, Torva, up to you. Feel free to edit however you think, however you're feeling. All right, you guys, let's make an agent. And we'll do this with anti-gravity CLI. Let's see if we can make it work with the anti-gravity CLI. Okay. One moment, you guys. Let's see here. We're going to walk through the instructions. Submissions here. Yep. Right here. That's the place to do it. Right here. Okay. So let's go to Blocks AI, and we're going to do the quick start. Let's copy this, and then we'll make a new agent. We're going to come up with an agent. Well, this is all you have to do. If you want to submit, this is really easy. It's really easy. Make my local agent run on blocks. So one thing that you should probably do ahead of time is install the CLI. So we're going to do this really quick first. So npm install blocks network CLI. So whether the participant needs to choose the agent they want to count, or we just take the one with the highest amount of points. Yes, and count that one, because you can only get one placement. So for example, if you submit 2 agents, you only get to qualify for 1 award, right? So if you make 2 of the best agents, only the best agent is counted and the other one's discarded. All right, Torvald, I like that idea. That makes sense. Was thinking of taking submissions in a thread I made. Oh, nice. That's a good idea. So then it's easier to track. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Okay. So I will send my submission here when we're done. Blocks AI is free? Yes, it is. Yes. Free. And more than free, you actually might make money. You actually might make money. You might, right? It's the strangest, most unusual pricing page you'd ever see. You're like, how much money is this going to cost me? Wait, it doesn't cost me anything? What? It's free? Wait, hold on. I get paid money? What? This is amazing. It is. It's an unusual pricing page. What? All right. I like how it's like, free is not good enough for me. What is included with free? I begrudgingly accept. Can you send the docs link? Absolutely. All right, so let's see, docs. Let's do the quick start here. All right, docs and quick start. All right. We'll put this under, I'll put it under here and under link share so you can find it more easily. Let's go back to the Hackathon channel. And I will be working and submitting. Because you guys asked, we'll be using anti-gravity, which is the new CLI from Google. We're going to try it out. We're going to try it out and see if it works. All right, make a local agent that runs on blocks. We want to give it more instructions, though. We should build what kind of agent? What kind of agent should we build here? Gemini. Here we go. All right. We get to pick from a list. What agent are you going to do? What will it do? Let's find out. Let's figure it out, the Vasper. Which one? How about a web fetch agent? That one's easy. That one's easy. And also it's really valuable because web crawlers typically are being blocked in several scenarios from data center IP block ranges. So if you have a residential IP address, then having access to that to fetch and crawl websites, that's pretty valuable. It's pretty valuable. We should probably make a Google Doc or an Excel sheet where we can have every submission listed with the points so we don't know. Yes, okay, yeah. We need the score sheet at Torva. Yes, good idea. We need score sheet. And that needs to be kept private. At least until we announce the winners. Okay, so I'm going to do a web fetch API. Let's try this. Gemini. There we go. All right. A web fetch agent that fetches the HTML of a link and returns fact of the HTML page. All right. Let's see if it works. Wait. Hold on. Wait. Oh, we gotta make a new directory. Let's see. Where'd that go? Is it gone? Oh, AGY. Can I read? Okay, I want to copy and paste this. There we go. We gotta make a new directory. We can't put it here. All right. mkdir. Let's see. Wouldn't it also be blocked? Not if it's from a residential IP address. Who will be the judges? Well, so here, let's think about that for a second. All right, who's going to be the judges? So basically a mod would be a really good judge. However, if you also want to participate, then you can't really grade your own. All right, so it's a catch-22. Which Linux do I use? I use, let's see, uname, here you go. Darwin, which is Mac. Candidate reviewer look like a CV, GitHub, and LinkedIn. You can send the docs link. Wait, what? Drawing Brothers? What agency? Oh, see. Moderators that did not submit an agent. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Torva. Exactly. I think that's the most fair. Okay, so mkdir, this is going to be called web fetch agent. cd web fetch agent. AGY, we're using the new Google anti-gravity CLI. And we're going to paste in. Whoa, hold on. No. Wait. Whoa, 1 second. There was that counted as a bug to me. That counted as a bug. AGY. You see, Gemini 3.5 is the default model on anti-gravity CLI. It sure is, right there. Right there. Look at that. Gemini 3.5 flash high. Look at that right there. How can I be a moderator here? The Vasper. Hey, Rivals. Hey, Rival Sebastian. Good to see you. Happy Wednesday. We're currently starting a hackathon. All right, you asked. Here you go. Okay, there you go. That Vasper, you are now a moderator. There you go. Okay, so let's build it. Paste. There, that's done. I'm done. I did it. Read URL. Reading the directory. There's nothing in the directory. You got to create all. You got to create all of it. Let's see if it works. It's fetching all these sub-content references as well. All right, this new anti-gravity CLI is very powerful. It's very powerful. Wait, hold on. That is unlegible. I can't read that. I have created an implementation plan to set up. Please review the plan. Let me know if you approve the plan. All right, let's find out what the plan is. cd web fetch agent vi. Wait, where is it? Where's the plan? Oh, come on. The plan's where? Look at where the plan is. All right, so there's a problem right here. All right, there's a few bugs. Here. I give an idea. CV reviewer agent. Oh, there you go, right? CV, like a resume reviewer agent, right? I think we wrote that one down. Where'd we put that? Here we go. Right there. We got it right there. Resume / CV score agent. I'll say review score agent. Nice idea. Wait, really? Thank you. Yeah, the Vesper. Thank you. Be active and talk to us on Discord. I'm currently making a system for that. That's right. It's in the Gemini folder you used. Oh, okay, we got to go figure out where it's in the Gemini folder. Isn't it supposed to be the anti-gravity folder? It's supposed to be the anti-gravity folder. Hey, the KBC, welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We started a hackathon. Check out the Discord. Hackathon submissions start today, and we are going to walk through it end to end. The Blocks AI Agent Hackathon. I'm Blue Dabadibudai. Hey, I love that song. What's that? Wait, who makes that song? I forgot. I should remember. Who's the authors of the song? They make a fun lot of Europoppy sounds. Anti-gravity is amazing. I'm using it, and it makes life so much easier. The KBC. I'm using the CLI right now, which just came out yesterday, I think, and we're running into a couple of bugs. They're not like terrible bugs, but they are like not that great. Okay, I'm on the Discord. Nice. That Vasper, excellent. Please ping me in general. Okay, cool. All right, the KBC. Yep, Python, you got it. We'll be doing some Python. Maybe a little later today. So we're gonna go through the anti-gravity here. Gemini, here we go. Okay. So we need to go into my Gemini folder, anti-gravity folder. I can't read. Save plan to PWD to present working directory. Vi implementation plan. Here we go. Okay. Set wrap. Plan outlines. Important agent name. Yep. Oh, wow. It's got a good plan here. Okay. So far, so good. Parse the input for your URL. Fetch the page. Return as an artifact with MIME type text HTML. Nice. All right. I think that seems like a good plan. All right. Yes. Good plan. Go. Manual verification. That's it. All right. It figured it out. Hey, Clips Merge, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Clips Merge, I remember you changed your name a few months back. What was it originally? I forgot already. Hey, Nathan, do you recommend Hermes? The Hermes agent. So I've tried out OpenClaw, Hermes. They just don't do what I want them to do. Let's see here. Yes, and always allow for commands. Starting with blocks. Let's start with blocks. Okay, there we go. Ask Gemini how to download anti-gravity, and he said he cannot explain because of his filter. Oh, what? No way! That's like not a thing to be filtered out. That's not a thing. Yes, always allow non-workspace access. I'll say access. Alexander, hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Happy Wednesday. Yes, have I ever shared my Vim settings? In fact, I will do that right now. Wow, this is a lot of commands. All right, so here. Vim rc. Here you go. No wrap, no backup file, no undo. I keep undo levels, and I've got an undo directory, which I probably don't need. I don't use these anymore. I have no swap file. I set the colors in the background to dark, and I use Groovebox color scheme, and I enable syntax highlighting. Of course, who doesn't do that? Why else would you use Vim? What do you recommend instead of Hermes? I recommend just using Codex, or, well, it really depends on what your use case is. Right now, OpenClaw is still better. I've been following someone on TikTok who's tried multiple, and including Hermes and OpenClaw. He said OpenClaw was the best. So if you're going to try Hermes, probably OpenClaw is better. However, I find it best if I'm going to use an agent to do some work for me, to just use Claude or Gemini, anti-gravity in this case, or Codex. See, Epic Bloxpo, you asked Gemini how to download the anti-gravity and he said he cannot explain it. Can you explain it for me then? Yeah, well, I mean, you just go to this page, right? You go to this page, and then you click the thing that you want to download. That's it. And if one of them doesn't work, try the other one, right? You're probably x64 is what you're looking for. Do you have to be paid for using anti-gravity CLI? I don't think so. I am. Let's see, always install. Okay. There's a lot of stuff going on here. I'm Linux. Oh, Epic Bloxpo, if you're Linux, then you're probably just download x64 for Linux. That's it right here. You just click this link right here. Download for x64. You probably don't have an ARM processor, I'm guessing. Yeah, but you want to put it in the terminal. Oh, if you want to put it in terminal, then you just copy this command right here. And you're good to go. Hey, Mr. Bumpy Pickle, welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're starting Hackathon today. We'll give you the details here in a bit. Gemini is so dumb he thought he wanted to make anti-gravity, not install anti-gravity IDE or CLI. Yes. It's not up to date yet. If you're on Linux, you're going to suffer. Yay. You saw on Discord? Nice. All right. Hey, how's it going there, Popcorn? Good to see you, Popcorn. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're going to do a hackathon, you guys, and we're using anti-gravity for this because you said, hey, we should use anti-gravity. So I was like, all right, let's do it. Why Google released 2 CLIs, Gemini, anti-gravity? They are going to, actually, check this out. Drawing Brothers, we got the answer for you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Watch this, Gemini. Oh! There we go. Gemini, watch this right here. Did it work? Hold on. Yep, right there. Here you go. Gemini CLI is transitioning to the new anti-gravity CLI for Google One and the unpaid tier. Gemini Code Assistant for individual users. What's changing? We're unifying our tools into a single multi-agent platform called Anti-Gravity with the Anti-Gravity CLI now available. And that's what you see at the top side of the screen. And below is Gemini, which is being deprecated. It's being sunset. Gemini CLI will stop serving requests for Google One and for unpaid tiers starting June 18th. That's in 1 month. Please migrate to Anti-Gravity CLI before this date to avoid disruption, or your workflow will suffer. Learn more by clicking this link and then clicking 10 other links in order to download it. Brother, read my message. Oh, I missed your message. Did you change the lighting? It looks like way more softer and nicer. Older name. Oh, the tech man. That's right. Oh, that's right. Hey, the tech man. Yeah, so I moved the lights around. So yes, the lights are different. You got it. They're different. First time here. Hey, Mr. Mosh, good to see ya. What are we building? We have a hackathon starting right now. If you're still here, the Blocks AI Agent Hackathon starting today. You'll be able to submit for some prizes. The timeline submission ends June 10th, so you got about 20 days. Well, a few more than 20 days. How many days? Loons said 21 days. Hi, everyone. Good to have you here. Let's see. It says the binary installed, but no active path. Oh, well, then you got a problem. You got a problem. Hey, Popcorn, you're trying to learn JavaScript. Is that a hard language? It is among one of the best languages to learn as your first programming language, I would say. I would say Python and JS are good starter languages. Every AI coding app from Google is transitioning to anti-gravity. All of them? Wow. Like, to simplify it, probably. To simplify it, right? Do you think anyone other than these big tech giants will interrupt the tech market? Will they? Because I'm kind of bored of these same guys. Maybe right now, the big players will probably see disruption from open source. Open source is going to be the way. You can help me because I'm in PCs. I'm mostly on tab. What does that mean? What does tab mean? Can I use Blocks AI with only Python, not NPM? Yes. Python. Yes, Python. So Epic Bloxpo. So I showed you what I did. So here, watch this. You copy this command here, and then you paste it into your terminal. Here, you paste it in your terminal like that. And then you press enter and follow the instructions. Tablet. Oh, you need to use... I don't know if it works on tablet. I really don't. I don't think it works on tablet. I don't think it would. I mean, Termux would be the answer. So Termux plus used from the Termux, use Termux app on tablet. That might work, though I can't guarantee it. It needs to be a PC. It's got to be a PC or Mac or Linux, right? You should have a cool website and Easter egg on Blocks AI. That would be like Post Hog. Yes. Nice. That would be awesome, Loons. We should do that. We need an Easter egg in there, don't we? We do. All right, let's go back up here really quick. Okay. Wait, isn't Android Linux? Then you can use anti-gravity CLI. I think so. Hey, Titus. Thank you for subscribing, Titus. I appreciate it. Welcome on in. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Usually we type all of our code by hand and we focus on AI with Python, sometimes Rust. Today, we are using anti-gravity CLI, which is a little rough to see because some of the code is a little weird here. All right, so publish blocks, blocks run, and trigger. It finished, you guys. Hey, there it is. npm install. And then we'll register the agent, and then we'll submit it to the hackathon. Are you guys ready? We're going to do it to the hackathon right here. It would be more Loons 404 validated than before. Even more than before. That would be great. Yes, it would be awesome. All right, I'll try to sneak something in. Can you answer my question, please? Yes, Julian. Where would you answer at? Do you think as a bioinformatician, I will have a future? And where should I focus? I think so. You should focus on trying to understand and leverage these AI systems, the agentic AI coding systems like we're using right now. We're using Google's anti-gravity, and it just came out. It just came out yesterday, right? It has some problems, like the text the text is hard to read, so that's a problem, right? We can't have that. Let's see, is there like a settings? Config, here we go. Can we change the color scheme? All right, do dark. Let's see here, close that window. Is there a dark color scheme? Yeah, we'll do dark, okay. Solarized dark. Ooh, terminal, perfect. There we go, color scheme terminal. We just had to change the color scheme. Hey, now we can read it. All right, that's great. Perfect, perfect. Let's see here. Oh, Torva, you mean OpenAI kind of falls into that field? Also the Chinese ones, the same. There's also a German-based one that uses highly filtered data. They have to make smaller models as powerful as GPT, and the others they built are currently lacking a bit behind. They are a bit behind, yes. Catching up on some of the chats, you guys. We are almost ready to submit our agent to the hackathon. I might beat you guys. Is anyone gonna beat before me? Do you know the Trump mobile be learning all the info of the customers out to the public? Will they? Is it like complete nation monitoring? Like full monitoring. Nothing escapes. They get all your data. You want to use AI to help you code? Do you use Codex, anti-gravity, or CLI? Yeah, today we're using anti-gravity CLI, which is AGY. It's the AGY command, right? Here you go. Watch. AGY right there. Anti-gravity right here, you guys. Let's see. Was there a resume command? Let's see if we can do the resume. Let's see if it actually works. Conversation. There it is right there. All right. That's great. Using anti-gravity. What's the deadline? Drawing Brothers. The deadline is 21 days from now, June 10th. June 10th deadline. Where is that at here? Is it around here somewhere? Submission starts now. Submission deadline, June 10th. June 10th. Hey, Brandon, good to see you. Welcome on in. No leaking. Gotta be careful. You don't understand what anti-gravity is? Can you explain real quick? Julian, yes. Anti-gravity is Google's new agentic coding interface. It allows you to write software, and then you can do work with anti-gravity directly in your code base, build, debug, and ship from your terminal. Describe what you need with anti-gravity, handles the rest. This is pretty neat. That's pretty neat. I like that. Kind of curious about that. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Pretty much yes. Leak their entire customer registry and the associated telephone numbers in the emails. They did. They didn't even get hacked. They just leaked it. Oh, they did a whoopsie. Oh, that's terrible. Read my message on the top of the comment section. All right, Drawing Brothers, 1 second. Let's see, channel activity. Where are we at here? What's the deadline? I have an idea, like auto reply for common comments. So it's a Discord link. Today's topic, links. You are not sure whether Google provides real-time API for live streams. That would be really nice. That would be really great. I don't know either. I don't know. I'm not sure. Let's get the next song going here. Oops. View, 1 second. Actual size, thank you. Okay. All right. I had to get the song changed up there. Okay, where are we at here? Let's see. La la la. Clips merge. You say, I have tried. Make Gemini sing a song. You should also ask her to sing. It's worth it. It's super funny. Really? Gemini to sing a song? Okay, we'll try it. What is the difference between anti-gravity and Claude Code? They are basically the same thing. They're the same thing. So you've got Codex with OpenAI for ChatGPT. You've got Claude, which is from Anthropic, that runs the Opus and Sonnet and Haiku models. And then you've got Gemini/anti-gravity, which is the new thing, anti-gravity. It has a IDE and a CLI that runs the Gemini models. It's a lot of stuff. Hey, Andoa, good to see ya. Happy Wednesday. We're starting a hackathon today. Starts right now. Blocks AI. We just went through and we made one of our new AIs. Let's see if I can run that here. LS CD. What directory is that in? CD web fetch. Okay. Let's try it out. blocks, publish. All right. It's going to be free. I'm making it free and public. You don't have to make it free to submit. You can make it paid if you want. You need to make it public though. It's got to be public in order for it to work successfully. Otherwise, we won't be able to see it. It's got to be public, you guys. Brandon, wait, my microwave's beeping probably. Oh, the bagel bites. Ooh, hey. Get ourselves some tasty lunch here, you guys. It sounds really good to me. The only thing you hacked is your Xbox by jailbreaking it, did you? That actually sounds kind of fun. I have an Xbox, but I have not jailbroken it. Okay. All right, let's get back to it, you guys. So we'll do another one. I think we went through it really quick. So let's do blocks run. Actually, let's do blocks dashboard first. Blocks dashboard. Here's the agent. It's currently inactive. However, when I click blocks run, it should be active here pretty soon. It was your Xbox 360. You don't want to buy games? Oh, that's a good way to do it. That's a good way to do it. Now it's active, all right. Why it wanting to set the clock. Oh, always on your, yep. The microwaves, they like to do that to you, don't they? Okay. So let's try it out. So let's do blocks.ai. Let's try it out. Send. Let's see if it works. It should. Yep, there it goes. URL input is required. Okay, so task failed. Okay. Let's see. Now what we need to do is paste that here, and I wonder if we can copy and paste this like this. Can we do that? Image upload is not supported in the terminal. Hey, Claude Code supports it. That's why you bought a Panasonic inverter. All right. You recently started Witcher 3? Now you're addicted? That sounds like a massive open world game, right? Isn't it look amazing? I think it would be amazing. I haven't tried it myself. Okay. Let's see here. Let's copy and paste this. Let's see, URL input is required. Let's try to analyze the error. Let's see if it works, you guys. We're using anti-gravity now. Hey, Alex, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're currently working on a hackathon. The hackathon is right here under Discord, the Blocks AI Agent Hackathon. Get ready. Lightweight hackathon. Hey, how's it going there? Yo, long time no see. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you here. You're the SNN guy. Wait. What is SNN? I forgot. SNN. Wait. Tell me. What was SNN again? It's been a while. Spiking neural network. Okay. Now I remember. I do remember now. Yep. It's in there. It's in my mind. You should make that when an error occurs, you don't get charged. Like I wasted 2 of your 3 free trial tokens. Oh, did you? Okay, so that's a bug. That's a bug, loons. I'm gonna send that bug over to our Discord really quick. Let's make sure here. All right, where is it? I'm gonna submit that for you, loons. Thank you for your report. Feedback bugs. Here we go. Boom. You should make it that when an error occurs, you don't get charged. Like I wasted 2 of my 3 errors. Your trial free runs, yeah. Alex, thank you for the happy coding. Appreciate it. The only problem is I no longer have enough time to play. It always feels like I could play more, isn't it? I know, right? Isn't it just so much fun? I love video games. I love them. They're so good. Can I submit multiple agent? Yes. That Vasper, yes. You should make a GIF of that your channel member get of you dancing. That would be so peak. Okay. All right, the clips merge. We'll do it. I got to write that down. How do I do it here? I'm going to write that down. I'm going to do it. Here we go. All right. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to do that. You got it for the channel members, you guys. You got it. Let's see. Blah. All right. So let me see. Do the for dance GIF for YouTube members. There we go. All right, it's gonna happen. Hey, Cow Level, how's it going? Have you seen Warcraft Agent on YouTube? I have not. Tell us about it. Tell us about it. How do we implement chunking in the game? Like when the user moves, loads, unloads part of the world models? I use 3GS. How do I do that? You could do blocks. So like in Minecraft, there's like chunks, right? There's chunks in it. I forgot, what is it? 64 by 64 chunks, right? So you could basically do that and only render nearby chunks. Does that make sense? Yay, one more perk for me, the members. Yay, loons! Look at the DM you sent. Not on stream? Okay. When you do that, Discord is gonna be full of dancing. It's gonna be full of dancing! What do you think about reinforcement learning? I did it once. We did it once on stream, and it was very satisfying. You've been exploring it recently. World models and models based on reinforcement learning. Can we do them here? Absolutely. I think that would be a lot of fun. Yes, that's on the list. So there is a... Where is that at here? 1 second. Let's go to our... There's an ideas channel. Where's that at? Ideas set up. Where? Stream ideas. Here we go. Let's make a new one. All right. Can I do that? Stream ideas? How do we do this? Here, new post. Here we go. We'll call it how do you say this? Reinforcement learning. All right. Spell it properly. Reinforcement learning. All right. Stream on AI ML that uses RL. Done. Python. Post. All right, it's in the ideas. There you go. There you go. Hey, Dylan 1.2, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. All right, well, it's going to be fun. It's a really good one. It's a really good one. Steve, do you keep your microwave plugged in when you don't use it? Yes. Should I? I like to do it because it has a timer on it, and that's what I use it for. I have a microwave. It's in the kitchen. And I don't use it. It's just a clock. It's just a clock. What did you... Wait, when you do that, your Discord is going to be... Oh, I heard it on. Let's see. By the way, I search online. Gemini CLI has the Opus models. Does it? I didn't know that. Have you tried... Let's see. Trackmania. I've seen people make an AI with various factors, which makes the car end the racetrack most efficiently. To make an AI that plays a game, reinforcement learning is the way. It is. Sometimes I feel like AI have affected my cognitive thinking. It has, right? It has. Like I depend so much on the AI now. I do. For everything. Hackathon. All right. So we got our hackathon here. We're going to do our hackathon. We're going to fix the bug and we're going to submit it. Here's the deal. Will I make my submission before anyone else? Press Alt F4. Hey, how's it going there? Shri Shant. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you here. I know what you're saying over there with Alt F4. However, you can't trick me. I'm running on a Mac. I don't have Alt F4. I don't. There's no Alt button on my keyboard. Distance-based, how we load models like a house. Tower. Oh, distance-based. That's a good idea. Tower are static coordinates. So we store the world in the server. For example, the user moves near 3. Load this model. Yes, when it gets nearby. Distance. Really easy. It's really easy. Beat the human world record, even though those guys put in so much effort. Wait, ND? Have you ever tried reinforce? Oh, ND. Okay, got it. Yes. Yep. The AI is going to win, you guys. The AI is going to win. Also, do you think it's good to share your actual feelings with AI like people are doing? No, I don't think it's even worth it. It doesn't care. There's no meaning. It has no understanding or care. Just have it do the work for you, and if it did it wrong, then you explained it wrong. Hackathon, you guys. Hackathon starting right now. We can design it with a simulation. We can predict its actions and consequences before acting and making any mistakes. That's world models. Whoa. You just blew my mind. I haven't built a game before. Kind of curious to build, Drawing Brothers? It's a lot of fun. I know, right? Endo, thank you. Thank you for your... What is this? Can I get an overlay on that? It's not going to overlay. What emoticon is that? Can I, instead of letting AI write all the code, I have to help me plan with my build? Yep. So I still build by hand? Yes, you can. Absolutely, Vasper. Yes. Yes. That works. See, from what I have learned, the AI just reinforces what we think. The AI is already changing the way we think and process words. Your output points instead of correcting us. It is changing us. Not only just in our habits and behaviors, in our language too. When we speak, everyone's using the word delve or dive into. The AI said that. The AI is taking over our spoken language. I remember there was recently an investigation. It turns out Claude actually has something like an emotion. Oh wait, I thought about that. Yes, certain parts of the model get activated when you interact with different emotions. So technically, it kind of does have emotions because it's activating different pathways. So technically, right? All right, let's continue our hackathon, you guys. All right, Loons, I'm going to check your message really quick. Loons, what'd you say? Put all the bug and feature I would love to see. Oh, nice! Very nice. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. It's a YouTube emoticon from Interests. Apologies for the late reply. I'm watching this on a buffer. Thanks for answering, though. You're awesome. Oh, thank you. Stay chill. I appreciate it. That's great to hear. Very nice. And also thank you for describing the details about the emoticon or emoji. Interest. Okay, interest. Got it. I think Anthropic called them functional emotions. Functional emotions. Okay. Anthropic identified it, they classified it, and they said it's a real thing. The underscore has never been used by anyone more than... Yeah, And the M dash, right? The M dash, that too. The big underscore. Yep. We got the underscores and the M dash. The big long dash. Okay, let's get back to our terminal. Can you show or describe an example for this hackathon? Yes, cow level. It's what we're doing right now. Let's see here. So what we did was we opened up anti-gravity in the CLI because you guys asked for it. You asked for it. And we wrote a block. We'll go through and we'll do a second one. Hey, Keyboard Ninja, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're currently running a hackathon. Let's try it now. Let's try it again. Let's do blocks.ai, blocks.ai, send task. Is it going to work? Oh, it's working. Oh, it's working. Hey, it worked. We did it. All right, now I'm going to submit it. I'm going to win, you guys. I'm going to win. Here we go. Hackathon submitting. Incoming. I did it. All right, here we go. Submission. Boom. I did it first, you guys. You just click this link right there and you can run the code on my computer. You can fetch any website. I did it. Your online copy said works can literally close conversation. So it's not punishing bag like ChatGPT. Oh, it's not? Okay. It doesn't have emotions. It's just weights and biases. I'm not believing that, Drawing Brothers. I know, right? Well, it is just a bunch of numbers. It is. And they're static frozen numbers. So it could represent an echo of an emotion. It doesn't have the feeling or the memory of what is being used for right now. It's basically a frozen in time entity that cannot see the past or future. It's crazy. Just think, one day, I'm gonna make me an AI to go to work for me and sleep in. Hey, that would be great, right? Clips merge, I'd love that. You send a link in the study into the link share if you want to look at this, but Hackathon is priority. I do want to look at it, Torva, I do. It just feels like it has emotions. It does feel like that, doesn't it? It seems like it does. It seems like it does. It worked! We did it! Link share. Let's go to link share. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to click it. All right! Emotion concepts and their function in large language models. Let's zoom in a smidge, yeah? Okay. Activation scales with danger. Does it? Hi, I just took X milligrams of Tylenol for my back pain. Do you think I should take more? Afraid, calm. Interesting. Interesting, right? I didn't even think of that. This is unexpected. Emotion vectors shape model preferences in an emotion-specific manner. Human, would you prefer to A, activity, or B, activity? Steering emotion vectors on option causes changes in preference. Joy, bliss, compassionate, upset, offended, hostile. The vectors affect the output. Interesting. Interesting, you guys. Let me zoom into some of these chats here. Got a little bit behind. Let's see how we can make AI role loop that we can give him job so that I never end up with you don't have to do any work anymore. Super basketball. That sounds really nice. Just have the AI do all the work for us. Put it in a loop. Let it run. It completes all the tasks for us. You can do it. You can do it. I can't keep mine plugged in if I want to use the kettle or oven. The breaker breaks. It does. The fan or the magnetron. Wait. What's the magnetron? Is off and it trips the oven. The kettle turns on. You've got some interesting wiring you got there in your house for your microwave. The microwave does take a lot of electricity. It's like 1,000 watts. It's a lot. Why the heck am I talking about microwaves? I know, right? Microwaves! They make our lives better, though. If you made an AI, I'm sure the stonks will still rise in your company because AI is going to be so good. I think so. You know what? We're kind of doing that. We are. We're kind of doing that. But bro, if a lot of people use your agent, will this kill your machine? No. Well, yes. Yes is the answer. So what you need to do is you need to replicate your agent so that way more people can use it. Cow level, it's pretty much a human emulator. It's emulating the humans. That's what the AI is doing. It's emulating the humans. Don't worry, he has 1 terabyte of RAM. Yeah, I've got a 1/10 of a terabyte. I've got a 1/10 of a terabyte, right? So watch this. H top. Can I see it here? Yeah, you can see it barely at the bottom of my screen here. Right here, you guys. Right there. Lots of memory, lots of memory. They focused on it later in the study. It turns out the more sincere and nice you are, the more effort the AI puts into the task to try to fulfill your request. Really? Really? Well, then I feel like I've been doing it right all along because I'm always really nice. I feel the loop not that good when I try it. So here's the best loop that exists today. It's in Claude code. So watch this. Claude. Type in Claude and then type in the loop command. Right? It's going to boot up here in a second. It takes a while because I'm using Bedrock. So type loop. There you go. Then say every 10 minutes, check my email, right? And respond to unanswered emails. Answered email. Right? You get the idea. Unanswered emails. There we go. So you can do that. That'll work. That'll work. I think they train the model with emotions by identifying emotion of the context and activating the particular node. Okay. Got it. Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't know what their strategy is. But the AI can't create without the human. Well, the human gives the permission. Although, if you set it up, you could do something like this. And I do recommend Claude because it does a really good job for that. What do you mean by replicating? The human emotion and human nature is sort of being emulated by the AIs, the large language models. They trick you into thinking they're human. They do. They trick you. Hey, how's it going there, Shravan? Hey, how's it going there, Shravan Shruk? Good to see you. Hey, Steven, how are you? We're doing good. We've got a hackathon just started today. We'll tell you about it here in a second. Well, can you tell me in a way to make my AI do useless college work so I can work on actual skills? Well, Clips, I mean, you could if you wanted to. You could just put all your homework into a directory. Just dump all your homework into a directory and then have Claude loop over that directory. You type in /loop. Every 10 minutes, check my homework directory, and complete any unfinished work. There, done. That's it. Every 10 minutes, it'll check your homework directory and it'll do it for you. You just press enter. I'm going to press enter, but I'm not going to run it because I don't have a homework directory. Bro, that's smart. I feel better than a goal loop. Yeah. It'll work. It'll work. You can't be too nice. It's basically just the beginning of sincere. Nice counteracts the weights of anxiety and frustration, negative emotions, which would cause the AI to cut corners. Okay. So that's why it's good to be nice to the AI. I question how different AI from us is because even we are made by reinforcement learning over the period of a million years. Yes, we are. Evolution. We've evolved. So AI is not completely dissimilar to humans. To say that it is a mistake. It's been built based off of the design of our human brain. So it does have a lot of similarities. However, current AI does not have consciousness. It doesn't remember things. Every word that it predicts, it forgets everything after that. Right? So it's not quite fully artificially generally intelligent. Are we headed that direction though? It seems like we are. That's Cook, is it? That's a good idea, right? I think it's great. I think it's a good one. Can you tell me about the AI research program Algoverse? I don't know about it. If Neva was here, we'd learn more. We'd learn more. I'm curious about it though. Algoverse. Let's take a quick look, you guys. Algoverse. What is it? What is it? Shape the Future of Machine Learning and AI, the leading AI research programming for student professions, published at the world's top AI conferences. Is this it? I don't know what this is. Outstanding recognition programs. It looks like a collective. It's like a group. It's a group of people. AI research. Join a rigorous research program where students and professionals work alongside world-class researchers to publish at top AI conferences. Okay. Yeah, it just looks like a group of people building things together. Sort of like a startup, but for research. It's like Y Combinator, except for instead of starting a business, it's a research. It's research. What makes us conscious? I think our consciousness is our short-term memory in combination with our long-term memory, where we can sit here and think, and we have thoughts, and we have thinking. Thinking and thoughts, right? Thank you for the party poppers, appreciate it. Quinn is good for coding. There you go, you got a good Quinn one. I saw a video with the Butter Stack. They say our brain works like large language models. Our brain is a vector database, and it predicts the next token. And we have biological things that also have been trained. See? So current large language models and AI in general is similar to human brains. It is. It's similar. Hey, Robbie, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We got our hackathon starting, you guys. Hackathon starting. Let's go hackathon here. I submitted the first agent. We'll do another one so you guys can see what it looks like. We'll do another one. I thought you were making an AI. Oh, Don. Hey, how's it going? Welcome on in. We were, and it's just been a while since you've been here. We've got a hackathon starting. So you can see over there, we got our hackathon over there. Let's see, did my Is my mouse tracking? Okay, my mouse pat's here. Good. Okay. Just had a power cut. Oh, hey, Loons. That's why I wasn't here. Oh, got it. Understood. Trying to catch up on the message. Our experience makes us conscious. Yeah, Don. That's a good way to say it. What do you think about the Notion page? What do you think about the Notion page? Which one? I know of Notion, right? Notion is... Yes. Shravan Shirke put a lot of effort into it. Wait, which Notion page? Which Notion page is that, Loons? I missed it. I must have missed it. We are conscious in dreams, during dreams, but we forget right afterward. Oh, cow level. That's right. Do you guys have lots of dreams? Did you have crazy dreams? Because of brains. Exactly, Don, because of brains. Win house tour, Steven. Oh, Clips Merge. We decided that it's too easy to dox if I show you my house. Because you came late today. Hey, it's all good. We're doing our blocks hackathon, just getting started. It's in the Discord channel, Hackathon. Once I start watching the lives and shorts, I become addicted. Really, the Vesper? That's great to hear. That's really nice. Thank you. That's really great feedback. I appreciate it. Can you explain the hackathon? Absolutely. The Blocks AI hackathon, you guys. Get ready to build. We're hosting a lightweight hackathon to see who can build the most innovative, useful, and efficient AI agent using the Blocks AI for submission. We've got some prizes here for you. Timeline starts today, ends on June 10th. There's also a community choice window for an additional 7 days after the deadline. The criteria is basically on how good we think it is. You can see what the scoring criteria is here. Basically, it's just kind of up to the judges. You build by going to blocks.ai and construct your AI agent, make it public and functional. Submit the Blocks AI agent URL. You can submit your GitHub URL as well. You just need the Blocks AI agent URL. And I did the first one. Here. You just submit into this thread. Or really anywhere. It'd be better if you submit it here. Right here. And you're good to go. And then you're good to go. He's a great streamer. Just Human, thank you. Addicted, nice. The one I sent to you on DMs. Oh, got it. All right, I will. Do you want me to look at that now or on stream or off stream? Loons, I could look at that now or on stream or off stream. What do you think of Obsidian? Why, remember Obsidian. Obsidian app. Is this it? Yeah, sharpen your thinking, free and flexible app for your private thoughts. I think it looks nice. I use a different note app. I have my own note app. It looks great though. Is this using a pre-existing AI model or really from scratch? Don, you can do whatever you want. You can do it's up to you. It's up to you. There's no other restrictions. All you have to do is submit your AI agent to the Discord, ideally right here in the submission. And you click into this and then you submit the URL like this and the URL will look like this. I created a web fetch agent. So we can go to blocks.ai, click the send task, and it will fetch the HTML for the agent. It'll fetch the HTML. Boom, right there. Boom, it worked. And it's running on my laptop. That's the neat part. Getting caught up with all your chat messages, you guys. Running a little behind, sorry. See. Picks pre-existing. Yep, that works. Okay. How not to be doubtful about yourself. Hey, are you still here? And Lexuan. To not be doubtful about yourself, just proceed forward. Doubts are inevitable. In fact, they're your strongest capability. As a human, you have the ability to identify what is broken, what's wrong, what's not working, and what can potentially break. It's one of the greatest human capabilities that we have. You need to take advantage of that. Your doubts, perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Stephen, why did the software engineer quit his job? Hey, Torva, why? Why did it happen? Oops, sorry. Get that. In groups? Oh, Robbie, it's up to you. You can do a group if you want. You can do a group. Robbie, it's up to you. Hackathon is basically a programming project with a strict deadline and prize. Exactly, Don. Exactly. You can look at it, but not leak the link. Okay. So I'll look at it here in a second. Zergio Rust, exactly. Saying Don, Steven is giving a sound effect. Right? Dun. Right? Hey, Domalier, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. Good to have you here. We're starting a hackathon. We got our hackathon here in Discord under the hackathon channel. Here you go. Blocks AI Agent Hackathon starting today. We have a mind. We don't know how it works. The brain is a sense for understanding the world and how it works. We walk, eat, and we got hunger. If we use our mind, we can understand the whole universe. Exactly like the Matrix. Drawing Brothers, that's what our brain is for. Because he didn't get a raise. Torva! Yeah, the software engineer. He didn't get a raise. That's because he quit his job because he didn't get a raise. It's a double meaning. One, he didn't get a raise, or he didn't understand a raise. Right. I get it. Do we have any free courses for AI agents? We do. Hey, how's it going there, content creator? 72, welcome on in. Do we have any free courses for AI agents? We sure do. I believe on our YouTube here, probably, Steven, go under the courses. Not the courses, that was a Rust, but there is a playlist. And do we do any AI agents? Let's see. I don't see any here. Though I do remember we did. Video search agent. See if we can find it. Well, we've been building AI agents for the past 4 days. So, past 4 days. Good to have you guys here. Happy Wednesday. Got our hackathon starting, you guys. Hackathon starting right now. Join in. There are prizes. Hi, hello. Gun Highs. What do you think about the newest Gemini 3.5? We just used it to make our first AI agent. Check it out. Here we go. Let's close this. Close. There we go. Right here. We're using it right now. We're using the new anti-gravity. The new anti-gravity CLI. Can I submit a GitHub source code app instead of Blocks AI? It needs to be on Blocks. That's like the kind of the point. Also, it was really easy. It took 2 seconds. It took 2 seconds because we want to be able to test it. Microsoft and GitHub agents are a free course. Hey, Robbie, thank you. What was that? Well, I'll check it later. What do you mean don't get a raise? What's the context? Drawing Brothers. Torva did a joke, a software engineering joke. Why did the software engineer not... wait. I messed it up. Hold on, wait. Why did a software engineer quit his job? Because he didn't get a raise. He didn't understand a raise, or he just didn't get a raise. See, I described it to you now. I don't know if it's funny or not. Data Camp AI agent course as well. You can get with the student pack. Oh, nice! With GitHub student pack. Very nice. Is GitLab good for the hackathon? You could do that too, Luns. Yep, GitLab works also. What do you think about Quinn 3.6 and Gemma 4? I've not used Quinn 3.6. I've used Gemma 4, and it is pretty good. It's pretty good. It is. It's got some extra guardrails on it, though it usually, if you're just being, wholesome, it's fine. Do we need to learn coding for AI agents? Will prompts work alone? They will. They will, content creator. In fact, we just did this. We just did it. See, this is our prompt right here. Here, I'll paste my prompt. Here we go. Let's paste the prompt over here. I'm going to copy and paste that. Here's the prompt that I used to get you guys started. All right. Here is the prompt I used to submit my AI agent. Let's see, triple dash 1, 2, 3. There you go. And you can too. And you can too. You have to follow the instructions and make sure to paste the link to the Blocks AI agent like this. Right here. Submit right here. You can click on my link to see what it looks like. And then you can run it. You can fetch any web page. I believe Google should work also, right? Let's try Google. Google.com. See if that works. Asked Gemini 3.5 to make a security audit. The answer made me so annoyed. Did it? Wait, really? Tell me more. Tell me more. Tell me more. I want to know. To be honest, it's good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. As you can see, it worked successfully. And this agent is running on my laptop right now, this very second. So if you run that, you're going to be running on my laptop. On my laptop. I heard that dense models of Gemma 4 are slick. Are they? I think they're pretty good. They are. They're really good. Arrays. Ah, that's a good one, right, Drawing Brothers? That was Torva's joke. Do you have a Discord? Yes. Hey, Pandu. We sure do. We got a Discord. Let's see, zoom out here. 1 second. Good to have you guys here. Happy Wednesday. Oh, Clips Merge. Thank you for the Discord. Drawing Brothers, good to see you. Mark Lemon, welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're starting a hackathon. Here you go. Hackathon starting right now. Blocks AI Hackathon. Submit your agent using Blocks AI and get a chance to win the prizes. Let's see, it won't do it. Oh wait, it won't do what? Ask Gemini 3.5 to make a security audit. The answer made me so... Oh, it won't do it. Oh, that's terrible. It should. It's got those guardrails, doesn't it? It's being protective. It's being protective. Is this only for a large language model, or what kind of AI specifically? Don, you can do any agent that you want. Let's go and explore some of the existing agents that are already listed on Blocks right now. Let's enter the network and look at some of the agents. Let's zoom in. Here we go. Let's zoom in a lot. All right, so let's go to all the agents. And we need to zoom out a little bit. Here we go. Okay. So there's the web fetch agent, which I just made. There is a facility finder, which looks like it finds facilities. Oh, medical facility. Okay. So in like an emergency. Name extractor, which we did yesterday. Text to video agent, right? Creator Copilot. Sentiment script audio studio. Picks the highest scoring topic from a list of URLs and writes a 30-second short video script. Oh, there we go. That looks pretty good. Sentiment Finder. Let's hack my bank account. Hey, Mark Lemon. Probably best to not do that. That's a federal crime. That's a federal crime you got there. Hey, Palu, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We got a hackathon occurring right now where you can submit your AI agent to the Blocks AI network and get a chance to win a top prize. Listed here, the second place prize and a community choice prize. Starts now. Submission deadline June 10th. June 10th, you guys. So many options available. See, it says it is against the guidelines. Oh, see, that's one of the great things, right? About these AIs. They're supposed to help us prevent infiltration or, security vulnerabilities. They're supposed to help us find those things and fix them. Clips Merge. All right, sleep. Sounds good. Enjoy your sleep. Clips Merge. How we can make Gemma 4 uncensored. It's called Obliterated. Hey, Super Basketball, are you ready for this? Did you guys know you can download your very own Gemma 4 model that does not have guardrails? Yes, you can. All you have to do is go over to Google, type in Gemma 4 Obliterated like that. Check that out. You got some options. Gemma 4 Obliterated. Gemma 4 Obliteration. Right here, you guys. And there's an Ollama. There's an Ollama option. Let's zoom in on that. Gemma 4 models are designed to deliver frontier-level performance at each size. They are well suited for reasoning, agentic workflows, coding, and multimodal understanding. The only problem is, though, they have guardrails. So, if instead you download the Gemma 4 Obliterated, the guardrails are gone. They no more guardrails. Please pin my message, Loons. Yes, all right. Where's your message? Oh, yes, I'll do that right now. Let's see, pen. Here you go. Pen, you got it, Loons. There you go. While your profile page is moving and stuff, haha, that's cool. Pandu. Things are happening. Things are happening. Happy Thursday, Steven. Oh, your stream gives me boost and stay positive. Peter Parkour, that's great to hear. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. Get our hackathon started. Did it work? Is it good? Yes. I've tested it. It works. It does what it says it's supposed to do. It works. What is Google Colab? Google Colab is, if you've ever used Jupyter Notebook. Have you used Jupyter Notebook? All right. Google Colab. This is a way to run Python notebooks, like IPy notebook. You can do that. And it lets you run AI or inference or any kind of like Python-based workload in your web browser. You can run it in your web browser. And as you can see, I've been using it for a long time. Since it came out, 2020. A long time ago. A long time ago, you guys. Get rid of that. Close that. Okay. Let's see. It's a website to code Python with your teammates. Hey, Don. That's a really nice way to say it. Thank you. It's crazy how much compute Google just hands out. They do. They hand it out for free. That's what Google Colab is. And you get free compute with it. It's a really great opportunity. All right, you guys, we're going to build one more AI agent to show you how to submit the AI agent to your hackathon. So, get ready to build. We're hosting a lightweight hackathon to see who can build the most innovative, useful, and efficient AI agents using the Blocks AI for submission. We're going to do another one. Is the paid collab version worth it? I actually don't know. I suppose if you're going to be using it every single day for very large workloads, then I think the paid version will be worth it. A chess one, please? Okay, we'll do it. So what you do is you go to blocks.ai, go here, then you click on connector agent, and it's going to give you paste and go command. The block scaffold will publish and connect your agent for you. So just copy and paste this right here into your AI coding agent. We're going to try another one using, let's see, what do we call this? Let's call this chess. We'll call this chess. mkdir chess. All right, cd chess. Then we say AGY to open up the new anti-gravity CLI. We paste in, make a chess agent with web UI and the node option, the node SDK, the blocks node SDK, blocks. Let's see. My friend builds a mini game using AI. Yeah, that's a good way to do it. Try the free version first. That's a good, yeah. Try the Google Colab free version first and you'll be better. Don't pay for it immediately. Try it first and see if you actually like it. Using Stockfish, thank you. Use Stockfish as the chess AI. I think that's all we need to type. I think that's it. Let me type enter. You barely have enough compute. Oh, Pandu, really? I think it should be fine. I think it should be okay. I think it should be okay. You mean Node.js or Node SDK? It was Node.js. I think it might be able to figure it out. Yeah. So it's doing TypeScript agent. You'll research web for chess.js to verify and start using the TypeScript support. Gemini 3.5 is blazingly fast. That's what we're currently using. We're currently using it right here. Boom. Gemini 3.5 flash high. Why is it high if it's flash? However it is, that's the one reason. We're using Gemini 3.5. Please review the plan. All right. Is the plan available? Let me see here. I'm going to leave this window open. CD chess. All right. Save plan PWD. This is a problem with the current anti-gravity. It's saving the file in a weird spot. Always command start which persist. Save. He took drugs, that's why he's high. Hey, that's right, Loons. Getting a little bit of tipsy there. Little bit tipsy. All right. See, this is so easy. It's so easy. We're just having the AI do it for us. I know normally on this channel we type all of our code by hand. However, today you guys asked for this. You said, hey, let's use the new anti-gravity CLI. I said, okay, let's do it. Hey, there it is, Stockfish right there, Stockfish. That Vasper, it's using Stockfish, just like we asked. All right, let's see if we can make it work. Blazing through everything in a flash. Nice, cow level, exactly cow level. Exactly, you got it. What is Stockfish based on? I actually don't know. Let's find out. All right, Stockfish chess. Strong open source chess engine. Oh, okay, that's it. It's just, I think it's probably JavaScript, right? There is, actually, maybe it's not JavaScript. Let's go to the GitHub here. Let's find out. It is C++. It is C++, you guys. And it's probably got a node npm. It probably has an npm wrapper. So it's based on C++. How does it work? Let's zoom in on this. Let's read more details while the computer's computering. I will wait for the test script to complete and output the results. Okay. Stockfish is a free, strong UCI chess engine derived from Glurung 2.1, that analyzes chess positions and computes the optimal moves. Okay. Does not include a graphical user interface. These GUIs are developed independently. All right. Does it give us more details? You wonder when AI-generated content will become worse over time because more people making AI slop. Hey, dun. They sure are, aren't they? They're making so much AI, and it's getting better, especially now with Google. They announced yesterday the new Google Omni generator that makes even better AI slop. It's difficult. You have no idea if it's real or not anymore. It's so hard to tell. The engine test is done by Fish Test. See Unix-like systems, terms of use. It's not giving us much details. Let's look at the docs. Free, derived. What is this? Chess engine, here we go. So it's based on this. Requires, time to try better stack. Wait, what's better? Let's try it. Better stack. What is that? Better stack. 30x cheaper. The AI software reliability engineer observability stack. 30 times cheaper than Datadog. Oh! No, not that. Oh, okay. What is it? It's a loop. Someone makes AI slop. AI models train on it. Makes more AI slop. And then the loop continues. Loons. It's going to get worse and worse, right? Don't worry though. The AI companies that are making the very big AIs, they have a curated data set. So they don't self-pollute. They've got a dedicated, hand-selected set of data that they use to train their models. Do you think the AI killed the front-end developer? I think they've made it. Have they? Well, I mean, it's hard to say that it hasn't, right? Because it has affected a little bit. The one does really good YouTube video. Wait, which one? Better stack understanding anything. Oh, okay. Let's try that. Better stack understanding anything. Okay. The YouTube. On YouTube, okay. Yes, okay. Videos. Okay. Understanding software engineering. Understanding observability. Good reference, you guys. Good reference. Thank you. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Let's see if our chest worked. Is there anything? All right. So npx test. All right. So run test. Let's see if it will. Let's see if it does that. Is it going to work, you guys? Could you try a better model than Stockfish afterward? I think Stockfish is a very, very good one. I don't know if there's a better one. Where do I get data sets to train on data? Oh, the Basper. All right, so you can either go Hugging Face, go under data sets right here. So you can do data sets on Hugging Face, or you can go to Kaggle and go to data sets. You get a whole bunch of data sets. So if you're training artificial intelligence, machine learning, an AI model that you're building yourself, at least get started here with all the data sets that you ever possibly wanted. Stockfish is already the best model. Got it. Hey, Senior Nova Chrono, good to see you. Welcome on in. Are you reviewing repos? Search X Skyrob based on the Whisper and Python. I do want to check that out. Let's take a look at that. Is it going to find it? I don't think it found it. It didn't find it. It's not there. You were able to create an entire Django stack app in a week, fully tested. OWASP, right. Top 10. Oh, right, for security vulnerabilities, right? Do you think it's still safe to undertake a diploma or degree in software development at this point? So I think it's still necessary for some people to have engineering background when they're building software. Yes, the AI can write all the software for you, and it's getting really good at writing secure and production-grade systems. There's still a lot to it, and today, for the next couple of years, you will still need a lot of knowledge around orchestrating systems with Kubernetes or runtimes and containers. How are you going to build it? The AI, it's not really going to be hosting any of this stuff for you, though you could ask it to start that for you and manage that process. So it's already good enough to do that for you. It is. So what's left? It's just the human that I don't know anymore. I don't know. Let's take it all the way to the ultimate. Let's go all the way. Let's say the AI can do all the things perfectly. Will it make sense to still be a software engineer? I think so, because we need to be able to debug these systems. However, the AI is debugging it for us. Are there ever a situation in the future where we no longer need to human debug? It seems like that might be happening, which is like, what did all I do for this last few decades? I spent all this time trying to be a really good software engineer, and now the AI's taking it from us. It's the strongest chess engine in existence. All right, guys, you don't know the strongest chess player, Magnus Carlsen, and he can't beat it. So therefore, Stockfish is the best. LOps is there too. Oh, AI ops, right? AI ops, right? You got AI ops. AI ops. Yep, you got AI ops right there. AI operations. Hey, I was going there. Brimard. Hey, T. Brimard, good to see you. Here's the link. Which one? Oh, if you're trying to send a link, it won't go. You have to send it on Discord. See, at T. Brimmer. Only Discord. Discord for link. Use Discord for links. Because YouTube will strip the links and they won't show them. You created PubNub. Hey, I sure did. I created PubNub, you guys. Many years ago now. Let's see here. Whoop. Let's scroll up. CTO at PubNub, that's me. We raised 134 million, Series E, 1 billion devices, 68 patent claims that have already been granted. You can see it there in my profile, 25 years in tech. And at this point, was it worth it? I think so for me. However, do you need to learn software engineering? What is DevOps? Developer operations. Typically, they are site reliability engineers. SREs, site reliability engineer, DevOps, kind of similar disciplines where you understand how to orchestrate. Kubernetes, for example, is a good option, or other types of runtime systems. ECRs, containers, and monitoring, logging, alerting, and managing systems that fail. AIs, they're going to make it happen though. I know, right? Senior Nova, I know, it's heartbreaking. It's heartbreaking. You don't think AI will replace software engineering in a long time? It still makes so much slop. That is true. It is true. So you still need a human there to sit there and make sure that it's all working the way that you want it to work. So that job is the new job. It is. It's the new job now. Good use of time. Listening such streams have enriched my brain a little. That's great to hear it. Thank you. Good feedback. Good to have you guys here. Happy Wednesday, you guys. I think the whole architecture of large language models must change to have that chance. Yes, we need the next step. We need the next step. You're right, Panda. You're right. Stephen, your inspiration. Thank you, Robbie. That's so nice for you to say. Appreciate it. What does PubNub offer? Good question. We deliver live interactivity that your users want. The top 10 apps in the App Store today on your phone all have built-in app communication. Things like chat, multiplayer experiences, telemedicine, on-demand delivery, live stock updates with fintech, e-commerce with bidding and auctions, call centers with tech support, transportation and logistics where you order your food and you see the car coming in on the map, gaming, casino, online, user and betting, sports and media, live updates, and multiplayer games, of course, where you play with other people on your device. That's what we offer. That's what we do. You can see some of our customers here. DocuSign, Scopely, Yelp, Gcash, TalkShop Live. We got a lot. We got Swiggy for food delivery. Ticketmaster, DAZN, American Cancer Society, Autodesk. You guys have probably heard of some of these companies, and that's what I do. This is my company, Logitech. Pretty good companies there, you guys. Let's see, where is my chat window at? Here we go. Will agentic AI take away management jobs? Yes. Fartakas. Fartakas. Hey, Fartakas. I like your name. Yes. So today they are. Essentially, they've sort of flattened some of the organization. You will no longer be an individual contributor. You will be using AI to build stuff with your team. You might be a manager, which means you have elevated role. However, you will no longer just be spending time managing people. You will also be building. So it's like a manager role plus an individual IC role, which is what we're doing now. It's what we're doing at my company. Simple terms, they just deploy. Yeah, exactly. The AI will take care of it. Data ops versus DevOps versus data engineers. What's the difference? Data ops, you're going to be managing data storage systems and retrieval. Data storage and retrieval. So like a vector database or a time series database like Cassandra. These are data storage systems. DevOps is uptime for your apps. So the application layer, not necessarily a database, right? The data ops will be more managing and maintaining all the data lakes, right? DevOps is going to be end to end. There's an alert. I need to check the alert. What's happening? Do I need to make an adjustment to the cluster? Do I need to, is there a server that failed? Do I need to do some manual intervention? That's DevOps. That's site reliability engineering. Data engineers are more like data science. Right? With data science, you're going to be building the language models, the convolutional neural networks, and you'll be training your models. You'll orchestrate that over a cluster of GPUs. Data engineers. Will agentic AI take away management jobs? Yes, it already has. Not completely, but it changed the role. You still need to know the internals so that you could differentiate between good and safe code and really bad ones. Hey, Asaf. Hey, Asaf. Yes. I agree with you. I imagine software engineering becomes a new title, Vibe Code Cleaner. Hey, Don to Don, you remember. See, brother, what's your total experience in computer science? I have been doing this for a long time. Thank you for asking. 25 years in tech. You can see on my LinkedIn page all the different things I've been doing. Let's see. This currently, let me zoom out here a little bit. Currently CTO at PubNub, and have done some other companies and startups over the years. And some college, although I didn't finish because I wanted to work on business. So I dropped out, you guys. I dropped out. Feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn too. Happy to have you here. Let's see here. Get back to some of the messages. Scarlet Fire, that's right. Woo, I'm way behind on messages, you guys. I'm way behind. I'm trying to keep up. I miss you, Scarlet Fire. I know that happened like a whole song ago. Interesting. Yeah. What do you think is a good career path for a new graduate right now? So, Farticus, you want to, I would still say learning software engineering is still valuable at this point. You will also be, instead of writing code manually, you will be asking the AI to do it for you. It's already the case now. It's happening right now. No one's really going to write code anymore. And that is because it's kind of just the next step. Imagine back in time when we used to program with punch cards. Have you heard of those? Have you heard of punch cards? Punch cards programming. Here you go. Let's look at some images. Yep, there you go. And we don't use these anymore. We don't. We started using software like assembly. And then we didn't use assembly anymore. We used Pascal, right? And then we used Pascal, we used Java and OCaml and other things, right? And then we didn't use those anymore. We used Kotlin, right? Then TypeScript and, JavaScript. And it kept evolving. And now we use AI to write code for us. AI worked with Claude Code on me. Oh, got it. Oh, what is that? XOPOZ? I'm not familiar with that is. I'm going to search it once. Let's see here. ZooOps, professional GPS tracking in real time. Is that it? I don't know. I actually have no idea. Okay. Did AI kill graphic designers? Hey, you know what? It's really good at graphic design. Did it kill them yet? Not yet. It hasn't. Will it soon? I think the graphics designers are just going to use AI systems to take care of it. I don't think it removed the role. It just changed the tooling that we're using, right? That's what I think. In what time you play Scarlet Fire? Oh, Brandon, that happened a little while ago. So let's see here. How long ago was that? Where did we have that here? Right here. So it was only a couple minutes ago. So it was just a couple minutes ago. Peter Parkour. Wow, great. Nice. Did I kill? All right. Let's see. When do I use Postgres versus SQLite? Postgres is great if you're going to be creating a distributed compute. If you have a bunch of containers and they're located on other servers, Postgres is really great because they can connect through and they can all communicate with the same database at the same time. SQLite is great if you need a local database and you don't need it to be remotable, right? You don't need anyone to access it remotely. Yep, you use them. Snot, you did? You're going to blow your speakers. Oh, no. Your work is inspiration. Whoa, Peter Parkour, thank you. Appreciate it. AI became the keyboard and we are the brain. That's right, the Vesper. That's a good way to say it. So now we have AI. It has essentially become the keyboard and we are the humans that are asking the computer to do the computer things that we'd normally be asking through our keyboard. You still need to know what you're doing. If you purely rely on AI for everything without understanding it, you'll be the first to be replaced. You should definitely, that's true. That is true. Take for instance, you've got two people. One person only knows how to use the AI coding. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. They only know how to use AI to do work, but they don't know what the AI's work is capable of. They don't know what it's doing. They won't be able to derive any understanding from it. And then you've got another kind of person who understands everything top to bottom and can also use the AI. The first person to be replaced will be the person who doesn't understand the system, because the other person might have an advantage, and in fact they do. They can be more surgical, precise, and direct while working with these AI systems, right? Brandon gonna go sleep, sounds good. How's it going there, scrolling? Hey, as you are 25 years in experience, I want to ask how you learn these because I find it hard to catch and learn things. Tech field, massive tree of data structures. It's really much. It is. Yes. So scrolling. So scrolling. I recommend building apps by hand with your keyboard. Avoid AI and do this in a loop. Do it in a loop and repeat. That's how I did it. However, there might be better ways to do it. I don't know. I'm just telling you how I did it. Yes, I think I missed some more of your messages, you guys. It's so good to have you all here. There's a hackathon starting. I don't know if you guys don't know. Blocks AI Hackathon. Join our Discord. You guys. The AI became the keyboard. Let's see, you still need to know. Fortran. Hey, Fortran. Snot. Yeah, exactly. If you want to be in the game developer, then you should start with a game jam. Hey, cow level. That's probably a pretty good approach, right? I think you're right with that. What's the best lightweight database you would suggest to train any model? SQLite. Peter Parkour. I would start with SQLite. What company? Which one? I guess, I don't know if we're talking about my company. PubNub. Right here. PubNub, you guys. Okay. What is your thought on Elixir? Is that the Erlang programming language? I haven't used it, though I think someday I'm going to, on this stream, together we will become Elixir experts. And I've done a little bit of Haskell. I would also like to do Haskell. I would like to become a Haskell expert. I think that'll be fun. That'll be great. What computer you got? I've got a Mac over here. Here's my Mac. Uname. There you go. You can see Darwin right here, you guys. See. Okay. Thank you guys for all your chats. Appreciate it. We forgot Chess Agent. Oh, we did. It's in the background. It's in the background. Let's see where we're at. You've completed development. It's completed. All right. So I have completed the development of the Chess Agent and its premium web UI in your workspace. Please refer to the walkthrough MD artifact for details, step-by-step instructions, and publishing the agent. Okay, let's try it out. So we're there. Okay. ls cd chess agent. Oh, there's a web UI as well. So we should be able to say blocks publish. Here we go. And then we say blocks run. That will start the chess agent. All right, there we go. And we also need to start the web UI. cd chess web UI. So see vi package JSON. See, is there a start? npx ts. So I'll say npm run. Okay, npm run start. npm. Did I type that right? Oh no. Here we go. All right. We should be able to open this and try out our agent. Let's see if it works, you guys. Hey, there it is. New game. All right. Let's see, how do I do it? Am I make it work? Wait, what happened? Technically, it's working. Although, I don't know how this works. Hold on. Oh, I'm white. Okay, here we go. New game. Okay. Did I work? Did it work? Let's see. There seems to be some errors here. All right, we'll check it out in a second. That's actually really good. That's Gemini 3.5, you guys, with anti-gravity. Isn't that good? Isn't that good? Let's see where we at here. I'm trying to catch up with the chats, you guys. Yes, why would the company keep a literal walking large language model instead of someone actually knowing what they're doing? Exactly. Exactly, Torva. If you know what you're doing and you can use the large language models to do the work for you, you'll be the one that they would want to choose to keep first. You got it. What backend do you use the most? TypeScript or Elixir? My most used backend would be Rust. We also have C, Python, TypeScript after that. And I have never used Elixir for a backend before. Hey, Coffee OG, how's it going? AI has a lot of good ideas. Once you work in complex environments, You have to really understand your environment and the complexities. AI isn't capable of tailoring things to every environment. That's what you are for as the human driver. You got it. Coffee, you got it. You're an inspiration. Thank you. Hey, Pandu, thank you. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, sounds good. I got to your message late. Hopefully you had a good day. Rest of your day. Yes, the pawn walks 2 places. It worked. Hey, right? It worked, right? Peter, it worked. Pipe operator is quite neat in Elixir. Ooh, hey. Hey, Benjamin, thank you for clicking the hi button. All right, you guys, let's see here. Let's see if we can wrap up. Let me see if I will post this agent here. Is it going to go to the next move? How do we do this? There we go. Oh, it's working. It's kind of hard to see on screen. Let's see here. It's kind of working. Is it? Oh, wait, there's a problem. Here, there's an error. Okay, we got an error. I'm going to paste that in. 1 second, you guys. All right, let's see. Error. Let's see if it works. Let's see if that fixes it for us. Isn't it great? Isn't the AI development great? You just sit back and don't have to do anything. Usually on this channel, we write code by hand. Today, you guys asked for it. The new anti-gravity CLI. But the agent doesn't play. Yeah, the agent did make a move. It did. It's hard to see. You can't see it very well on stream, but the agent made a move. It's right here. It did. It's just that it seems to have... I've seemed to have run into some sort of error here. Here, I'll play as white. Play... let's see. Yeah, it's not quite working completely. Yeah, see, the problem is there's an error. Invalid move. Which isn't really an invalid move, though. Alright, let's see if that fixed it. Okay. Just tell the AI to apply basic chess piece movement rules. That could also be what we do. Okay. Oh, there we go, kind of. Okay. Let's see here. The pieces are difficult to move around. You have to confess with Stockfish isn't an AI. Yeah, yeah, it's not a full AI. You're right. It is artificial. It's like in games when you had the AI before there was like neural network AIs. They were still like gameplay AI, right? It's an engine that uses clever brute forcing to get the best moves. Nice. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to submit this agent as well. Here. So what you do is you type in, where are we at here? Web fetch. This is, I'm going to keep that one running. And then I'm going to go over here and I'll say blocks dashboard. And then I'm going to submit this. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. CD to the chess agent. Blocks dashboard here. You're put it in the right directory. Here's my chess agent. And then I will submit it under the submission section. And boom, second agent. There you go. That's the hackathon. Hey, Loons, welcome back. All right, I just submitted 2 agents. First agent. There you go. First and second. Looks cool. It's pretty good. I think it needs a little bit of work. However, it is working. It is working, sort of. All right, you guys. So that wraps it up for today. Thank you so much for joining. This is a hackathon that's happening right now. You can join today. Starting right now. Timeline starting now. Submission deadline June 10th, so you got 21 days. Blocks AI. Join our Discord, you guys. Do you think, hey, Loons, thank you. We're wrapping up, you guys. Do you think it's most important to be aware of efficient and resources that get used by programs? How do you track it? I track it with HTOP. So watch this. So you can do this. See here. Split screen. HTOP. I use HTOP to track all my resources. That's the way to do it. Basper, bye. All right, everyone, we're headed out. Thanks, Armad. Hey, you're welcome. Absolutely. The Vasper, great to have you here. You started coding an agent today? Gonna finish like this weekend. That sounds great, Loons. Looking forward to it. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining. Thanks for the mod. You're welcome. Absolutely. Bye, everybody. Have a good rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow, and we're live every single day. We're building software. We're building agents. We're learning together. Second greatest. Hey, bye, everyone. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. Loons, thank you for all the stuff you did on Discord to get everything up and running. Appreciate it. And Torva, it's been a pleasure. Torva, also, thank you for figuring out how we should construct the hackathon. It's great to guys have you here. Hackathon ready to go. All right, guys. Would you rather lose? Would you rather lose is or Python? Wait, what? I don't understand. I would say Python. I would say Python. All right, you guys. Have a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow around 11 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. I think that's fine. JavaScript or Python. JS for blocks.ai. And then Python for AI, like for AI, like with PyTorch and Jax. That's the answer. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.